What is the First Amendment of the press? It sounds like a very serious matter that makes it look like the U.S. press is independent and under control. In any part of the U.S., the First Amendment is considered an important reform in the history of the media. Let us take a look into what it's really about. You might just be surprised to see what you find. First Amendment in the Constitution of the United States guarantees the freedom of the printing press in the United States. The First Amendment is divided into three separate provisions guaranteeing freedom of the media and freedom of religion, the right of assembly, and which require the government to rectify complaints of the public. For writers or journalists, a specific clause from the amendment is very important that states, no congressional law should be passed to establish or prohibit the free exercise of religions, restrict freedom of speech or the press, or the right of citizens to assemble of their own free will with peace and allow the government's grievances to be resolved. The U.S. Foundation has approved the publication of newspapers that can be extrapolated to include newsletters, TV, radio, internet, and more. But the real question is, what rights does the First Amendment guarantee? Mainly, freedom of the media means that the media are not subject to government sanctions or any restrictions imposed by the media. In much of the world, freedom of the press is limited or non-existent, which is no surprise. Of course, the main reason why the media needs to be controlled is to control society. Freedom House provides maps and charts to show where the printer is free, what is not, and where freedom is restricted. You will find quite a surprising list.